Imagine driving an SUV that doesn't just follow trends, it sets them. Today we're diving deep into the revolutionary 2026 Honda CRV, a masterclass of innovation, style, and technology. Buckle up as we explore every striking detail of this game-changing SUV. Starting at the front, the 2026 Honda CR-V commands attention with the sleek, futuristic appearance. The traditional grille is reimagined, replaced by a bold, glossy black panel complemented by striking LED headlights that flow seamlessly into an illuminated chrome strip, creating a dynamic, continuous line across the fascia. The aggressive bumper design integrates vertical air intakes and subtle red accents, hinting at performance and aerodynamic efficiency. Swinging around to the side, the CR-V's stance is athletic and bold. Pronounced wheel arches frame large, sport-inspired alloy wheels with deep rims and subtle red accents, emphasizing its sporty character. The side profile boasts sharp, clean lines, accentuating the CR-V's aerodynamic silhouette, complemented by sleek black trim running along the base of the doors, creating a balanced, grounded look. Now let's move to the rear design, which is nothing short of captivating. The futuristic theme continues with dramatic, angular LED taillights wrapping seamlessly around the rear corners, connected by a prominent LED bar that integrates perfectly with the sleek spoiler and shark fin antenna. Dual exhaust outlets and sculpted rear diffuser-like elements add a dash of sporty flair, making it clear this isn't your average SUV. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V offers impressive engine choices, from a highly efficient hybrid powertrain to an advanced turbocharged gasoline engine, promising a perfect balance between fuel efficiency and thrilling performance. Honda's innovative engineering ensures smooth acceleration, precise handling, and impressive reliability, ideal for city commuting or adventurous weekends. Step inside, and the CR-V's interior immediately surrounds you in luxury and high-tech sophistication. Soft touch materials combined with premium leather upholstery set a refined tone. The minimalist dashboard showcases a modern digital instrument cluster, complemented by an intuitive central infotainment screen that's seamlessly integrated and offers effortless connectivity with smartphone integration and voice-activated controls. Ambient lighting, spacious seating, and generous cargo space make every journey comfortable and practical. New for 2026, Honda introduces advanced driver assistance systems that elevate safety and convenience to unprecedented levels. With next-generation adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and automated parking, the CR-V practically drives itself, reducing stress and enhancing your driving experience. Additionally, eco-friendly innovations like energy-recuperating brakes further solidify its commitment to sustainability without compromising performance. The 2026 Honda CR-V isn't just about looking futuristic, it's about driving into tomorrow with confidence, safety, and style. This SUV raises the bar and proves that Honda continues to be a visionary in automotive design and technology. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more incredible automotive content right here on our channel.